or Commonwealth Fusion Systems, the largest and most advanced private fusion company in the world. Fusion energy is the power of the stars, where we take the lightest elements, combine them, and produce enormous amounts of energy. CFS is privately funded by investors. And today we're announcing a new investment round where we've added more capital to the company and brought more stakeholders into our fold.
Today, we are announcing that CFS has raised $863 million. Well above our desired target, this represents one of the largest financings in deep tech since our last one in 2021. This brings the total capital that CFS has raised to $3 billion, about a third of what's been raised in the entire private fusion industry. This makes CFS the most capitalized fusion company in the world. Alongside completing Spark, this capital will enable us to begin developing ARC, our first commercial power plant. This includes some of the long lead development work, like supply chain development, permitting, project development, design work, and advancing some of the key subsystems that are unique to ARC that are not in Spark. All this capital comes from blue chip investors who are well-regarded leaders in finance, technology, and industry. We're fortunate to raise capital from titans in tech like Google and NVIDIA, influential individuals like Bill Gates and Stanley Druckenmiller, large industrial majors from across the world, leaders in finance across the capital stack, pensions and hedge funds, utilities, and some of the largest banks in the world. These investors see the birth of an industry and they want access to early ARCs. This includes people from Japan, Korea, the UAE, Italy, Singapore, and the UK. That representation shows how well our message resonates across a broad set of people who are all betting on tomorrow's most important technology.
We at Khosla Ventures love to invest in bold and impactful projects. In one of the most impactful and ambitious projects I've seen is CFS, maybe in my whole career. We invested in OpenAI and CFS around the same time. AI can transform the world, but CFS needs to power that transformation. So both projects are critical to an era of abundance we can establish.
This was a big fundraising round, both in terms of fusion, but also in terms of energy, and also just in terms of the general market for private financing. One, it shows that people are really interested in fusion, a broad set of people. Two, it shows that people are still seeing the need for energy. We need it to power AI, we need it for many different things for prosperity. And three, despite market conditions, it shows that fusion is a stable thing to invest in. Over a long period of time now, we've been able to raise large amounts of money in this ecosystem.